Hi guys, today we're going to be making whole wheat pizza. So what you're going to need is spray olive oil, honey, olive oil, salt, marinara sauce, whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, active dry yeast or rapidized yeast, basil, oregano, mozzarella cheese, and provolone cheese. I'm using cheddar because we didn't have any. Both is fine. And 3 cups of assorted vegetables. I'm using zucchini, broccoli, spinach, and mushrooms. You can use whatever you want or what you prefer. You're also going to need a mixing bowl, a cooking sheet, a fork, a knife, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, a fourth of a cup, and a cutting board. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take a 1 cup of lukewarm water, pour it into the bowl, and then take a tablespoon of yeast and pour it in the bowl, and let that sit for 5 minutes, okay? While you're waiting on that, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350, and we're going to start cutting up the vegetables. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed off all of my vegetables, and we're going to start cutting. And a little trick to get your cutting board to stay still is dampen a little paper towel and put it underneath of it. And now you don't have to worry about sliding. So there you go. I'm going to start with my zucchini. So I'm going to cut off the ends. You're definitely going to need your parents' help with this. Do not try to cut this on your own. So I'm going to keep cutting. Okay, I'm going to keep going and I will catch up with you in a minute. Okay, so we are back with our water and yeast, and we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, sprinkle that in there, 1 teaspoon of honey, and one trick to get the honey not to stick to your spoon, or your teaspoon, is to spray some olive oil in it. Okay, now we're going to pour this in, and it will not stick. So we got a teaspoon of that as well. Okay, and now a tablespoon of olive oil. Alright, that's it. Okay, now you're going to stir this really well. Okay, and now you're going to add wait, hold on. Okay, so now that you've mixed this really well until it's smooth, you're going to add a cup of all-purpose flour, and you're going to keep stirring that until it's smooth, and you're going to add another cup of all-purpose flour, and there we go, yeah. Okay, so now that you're done stirring and that's all smooth, you're going to add 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Okay, and you're going to mix with your hands until it's really shaped into a ball and it's elastic, and yeah, you're going to need this for a little while. So we're going to keep doing that. Okay, now that you've kneaded your dough, you're going to grab a rolling pin and a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick. And you're going to spray your cookie sheet with some oil, and you're going to roll this out flat. So whatever size pizza you want, that's how big you're going to roll it. Okay, now you're going to add your sauce, cheese, and vegetables. Okay, now that you've put everything on, you're going to add your tablespoon of basil and oregano. And you're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. And then you're ready.